All right, guys, we are very excited to be back here in the Braille house with
Matty Tice,
John Gordon,
Cookie,
Jeff,
Lance Lynn.
JMK Free Skates versus the entire Braille team.
I thought they already knew who I was.
No. All right, guys, so we're very excited. We're going to play a game of free skates. So basically, these guys are professionals at this, and these guys are beyond professionals. Just look at the look on his face.
expert.
We're going to give these guys free skate is going to be the letters that they get, right? And these guys is free. May the best free skate champions win.
the other catch is that every person on defense gets to try it on our team, and only one of you gets to try it on defense on your team. The odds are forever stacked in our favor, but we're still expecting to get whooped.
You're expecting to get whooped?
What? No, I didn't say that.
Fetty?
No, I could drop in.
All right,
Okay,
we
so
Rochambeau.
team representatives Rochambeau.
Dang it! You had one job! Oh no! It's over!
We should let Uzi play. He picks only rock.
I'm the champ at Rock.
It's like, okay.
That's why.
Yes, he'll need to.
So basically we gotta roll and then do a kick flip, monster flip?
Daniel.
No, you don't go first. Don't go. You go last.
I gotta like get a little style action going, like he did, you know? I need a little more speed.
Nope.
I didn't really pop.
Oh, not bad.
He had that. See, I didn't actually get a try, I actually slipped off.
Oh, you stop it.
Sorry. I can't even roll. I don't know why I'm in this. Dang it.
Secret weapon.
You're our last hope.
That was like, I was thinking in the back of my head, like, oh, at least I got that. It's like a secret weapon. I'll do a hard trick, and he just does it first.
You had one too.
I only did a double flip.
Okay.
I haven't
All right,
done.
that's an
Okay.
F for Team Braille.
We got an F.
I will do a throwback. It's pretty easy. Throwback Thursday. Except I almost fell.
Rebate.
Rebate. Ready?
I think that's a letter. He did it too good.
Wow. I got that though. That's no big deal. I want the ones with the bumpers. Everybody got real quiet all of a sudden. Dang it.
I can't.
I'm gonna roll down the bank to get speed.
Oh! Uzi, once again, you're our last hope. Come on, Uzi.
He pushed me.
That's an R for Team Braille.
But I already put the letters on when they did the tricks.
need to mess up.
Rude. Oh.
What do you do?
Start rolling and then throw down, flip it, and land on
Like
it.
this?
Yeah.
Let me give it a couple practice
Come on,
goes.
Aaron.
Dude, brutally close.
Oh, no!
I gotta get it.
My go-to trick usually.
This is my go-to trick, he said.
All right, who's up next? I think for every trick we land on defense, they should get a letter for. So you're saying there's a chance?
This is my turn?
Yes.
Okay, you guys, good luck. You know, you had a chance, you just lost it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll down this. Oh no, that rail's in the way.
Trick number 1 is roll down this bank.
You can do it switch too.
Team JMK, choose a representative. No pressure.
No pressure. That's what they tell me, man. I'm not feeling it.
I just had to land something.
I know.
So much pressure. I'm gonna fall. I've been working on this one though.
He's not gonna drop into the mini ramp?
No.
You've been talking all this time about how you can do the mini ramp.
Saving that.
Team JMK, your next rider is up on offense. What in the world?
I have been working on this, practice. I feel like there's some secret to this. So we kind of go like that and then kind of just...
Yeah.
That pinched my balls so hard. I don't think he pretzeled though. Is that a good technique? Kind of shifted one?
Secret weapon Uzi. Take
My
us
time.
home. That was pathetic.
Why did I think it was so easy? Hold up.
This is FRE for our team.
I thought you had our back, Uzi. So he's from Japan. He speaks zero English. Let's see what he's got. I thought it might be something kind of like that. I got that all day.
I'm gonna ride and then shoot a hoop. They can't do it. They can't multitask like that.
I'm glad you filmed from the top of the bank because I almost made it up there.
Yeah. Run out of steam fast.
We're really giving him a good go out
Yeah.
there.
I feel like the last game went way better.
Yeah. The championship.
Oh! My toe!
I lost control.
You know what's not okay?
What?
My big toe. It hurts so bad.
I hit it?
Yeah. All right, that's FREE for you guys. Yeah, 5 more letters.
FREE, guys. Get it together! Why are you telling him to go up the wall right down
I'm
the
not
stairs?
saying anything.
You're cheating.
I am mutual, okay?
Remember the throwback? We'll do the throw forward.
Oh! Kelly, you're up.
Luke, get me at the free throw line. This could be the one. Luke, I need your help. Hold me up. And then push me.
Kelly, you had one job!
Take it.
Yeah!
What did he do? You just can't figure it out.
I don't know what it is.
Okay, so we switch the skate and then do a revert. This is like a tray revert. I think I got this one.
Hey, that wasn't bad.
If I would have just jumped on, I would have been like,
Yeah.
well, count it, count it.
Was I close?
Yes, very close.
I don't know what it is.
You're writing. So you jump backwards, your front foot lands on the back one, and then you revert,
180.
and then your back foot ends up on the front one.
Basically,
I got
there's
this.
no way you're gonna do it.
I got it.
Oh! Wow!
He actually could have done that.
I think if I tried a couple times, I might be able to.
FREES.
Okay, no big deal.
If he doesn't get to the top line, we're not counting it.
No.
Did you see how high he went?
Yeah.
I think he might be able to do the world record. Let's give him a bungee. That's a whole nother video. Let's go. I actually think this is one I can do. The scariest part, serious, is riding down this bank. Whoa! Okay.
Wow, you're going so fast.
All right, I got this. Oh, dang it. I actually thought for real I could have landed that.
Count it!
What?
Oh no.
Yep, he's manually.
We got that. We got that. I think we got that.
Aussie, can you give them a letter, please? There we go.
Okay, I didn't realize he manualed on a wheel.
Yeah, he's manually on one
I
single
did not
wheel.
realize their balance was that good.
Yeah. Oh well. Fetty, you're up.
I think rolling in is okay, right?
Rolling. Did you see us yesterday?
Yeah, Fetty did it.
The best thing is that he did like 50 tricks and all we did is roll in.
360 throwback.
What?
Oh!
Do a 360 and catch it again.
360 roll back.
No big deal. I just don't know how to move my legs and then make it not make me fall. You know what I mean? We only have 3 letters left, Eddie.
Oh! Ow.
Oh!
Landed it.
I don't even know what to say, man.
That basketball shot's in your head deep.
Yeah,
I
man.
can tell.
I'm gonna forget about it.
Crew casa. I can't shoot.
They're definitely backwards. Okay.
We got 2 letters left. Let's go, guys. We can't get skunked.
Because our next opportunity on offense is Luke.
We're done.
Wow! You got that, Aaron.
There's no way I'm dropping in on the
You were
ramp.
doing that.
I'll die.
Yo, wait. Can we try the thing where we pick someone up?
Yeah, let's go.
Luke, get up. Give me a little bit.
How do you mess that up?
My team is so embarrassing.
They're lucky I didn't play.
Someone push me farther back.
Luke, you got this, full on. You're our last chance. Dang it. There's no way I'm going off that ramp. Gabe, what will I do?
Just launch it off, man.
Okay.
That was even a pathetic launch.
You should have jumped onto it. It was the wind. It's harder to launch it than you think.
Does it make it easier going off the ramp?
If you want me to try, I'm willing to try, but I'm just saying this is a splash zone right here.
One cleared it. He almost broke his back right there.
Oh, I slid.
All right, well, thank you so much for coming. You guys completely almost lost to us. It was a really close game.
Well, thank you, man. And I know you guys didn't win, but you're still getting us.
We get them anyways.
You guys killed it out there. Yes.
Thanks. So if you guys want to pick up a pair of these, it's jmkride.com, so you can go check out the website and have a blast learning how to do these.
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, JMK Ride.
Thank you. And thank you back there.
Yeah.
That guy behind the couch. He's a good guy. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Definitely check out all the other videos in this playlist. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.